Welcome to Matlab Neural Network. Open the Matlab. In the workspace, create input data table and target data table. Later, you want to predict data, create another predict data table. Here, double click the input data table. You will come to the variable editor. If you already have the input data, open your file, copy those files and go to the variable editor, paste the data. The same thing you can repeat for target data. Open your file, copy the target data, paste it over the variable editor of target. Then if you want to predict this neural network, have some set of data, copy those data, paste it over the predict table. Once all the three values are done, open the neural network toolbox by typing the NN tool. You will come to the network data manager. Here import, click import input data as a input data, give OK, then import another input data as your input data to predict the data. Similarly, import the target data as a target data. So now you have input and the target data. You have to create the network. Click the new network, type the name for the network and network parameters, properties you can select as a feed forward backdrop, input data as an input from a workspace, target data as a target from your workspace, and the training function as train LM, adoption learning as a learn GDM, and have the two layers, and you can give create OK. Then your network is created. Double click your network, you can able to view the network and go to the train network. Training data, input as your input from workspace, target as your target from your workspace, and output will be automatically your network name output, and error will be network name output error. Here go into the training parameters. Maybe the maximum file you can increase to 1000. It's up to you, and you can train the network. The network will be trained, and you can able to see the performance, training state and regression of this particular training. You click the performance, you can able to see the performance of this network. Then you can click the training state. You can able to see the training state of your network. Then click the regression. The regression value you have to look for nearly 1. All combined together it is 0.9596. So you can improve the network training. Again, click the network training once again. So now number of epochs will keep on running. It will go this time until 1000. So now go for the regression checking. So now the all R value it is 0.977. So that means our network is trained well. It is good network. So in that case, what you can do is you can go for predict value for your new data. Go to simulate, select input as your predict value, and output as a new name you can type in. Once it is done, so you can click simulate network and click OK. The output of the predicted value will be in our output data of our network data manager. You can double click the predicted value. You can able to see the network predicted new output values. Similarly, your trained network output value also will be there. Okay, so now you can export these data by clicking export and selecting whatever the parameters you want to export. You can select those parameters, and so you can export to workspace. Similarly, all the data can also be saved as a separate file, including our neural network can be saved. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.